Ready. Colby, 9 years old, 2010. Future Olympic champion. First snowboarding.
No, it fell right out of my nose.
Crashed.
Can I see the video?
You keep going. We'll put 3, 4 more.
Ah.
No, don't do that. Okay. Here we go again. Future Olympian.
What?
Put your foot in.
I can't.
Bend over. Steer. That's it. Colby, that's better. Good job. Do it again.
Ow.
Not bad, Colby. Now jump up and turn around. That's it. Woohoo! Wipe out.
I know that because of my snowboarding game.
Yes.
When it's a race, they start out like this, then jump like
Jump
this.
around, yep. Another attempt?
Sure. Oh wait, wrong side.
And here he comes. That's it. Bend your knees. That a boy. Oh, you alright?
It hit something. What did it hit? It hit something. It hit something and I went flying.
You got 2 minutes.
That's too good.
One more time. And then I'll get in my toboggan. And here he goes. Oh, yeah. Remember, you're going downhill, so
I know, one more time.
keep your balance forward. Don't slide backwards. Bend forward the way you're going. There you go. Now lean forward this way. There. All right. That's good, man. Thumbs up. All right.